Hi guys. So guys, today we're gonna make some old school donut muffins. These are quite delicious and they're pretty easy to make. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some brown sugar and white sugar. We're gonna add it to a big bowl, and then we're gonna add in some room temp butter. We're gonna throw in some vegetable oil or canola oil, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix this until it's nice and smooth. Next, we're going to add in 2 eggs. We're going to add them in one at a time. And then we're going to throw in some cinnamon and nutmeg. We're also going to throw in some salt, baking soda, and baking powder, a splash of vanilla. So next we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients and our wet. We're going to go in between all-purpose flour and buttermilk. So we're going to add some flour, buttermilk, until we use it all up. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. Now, when your muffins are done cooking, you want to let them cool on a cooling rack for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, while our muffins are cooling, we're going to go ahead and make our icing. And to make the icing, you're going to need some powdered sugar, some melted butter, a splash of vanilla, and a little bit of hot water. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that together until it's nice and smooth. So next we're going to go ahead and dip our muffins, the top of our muffins, in our icing. You're actually going to dip them a couple of times. Now I'm not going to lie, I did dip a few of them about 3 or 4 times, and I preferred them that way, only because I'm the person that eats the top of the cupcake because I like the frosting. So I like frosting, so I liked it thick on there. But the original recipe says to dip it twice. So if you want a little bit more sweetness, go ahead and triple dip, quadruple dip. Now this muffin isn't too sweet, it's kind of on the lighter side of sweetness, so it can take those extra dips in the icing, you guys, trust me. Or you can add a little bit more brown sugar to the batter, to your actual muffin batter, if you want it a little sweeter. But these muffins are really, really good, and they're easy to make, and a very old school spice muffin, carrot cake without the carrot type of vibe. So if you like that flavor, you're really gonna love these muffins. Yum.